Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the notification that you're receiving on your phone for downloading English US update waiting for network connection. So please follow the steps with me and let's get started. Okay, go to the settings on your phone and then scroll down and look for Google. Then select this one, settings for Google apps. And next, search assistant and voice. And in here, click on voice. Then open up offline speech recognition, manage download languages, this one. So over here, as you can see, it will show you the installed languages. So what you need to do, just click on auto update. And then make sure to select this one, do not auto update languages. And after you've done this, then restart your phone. So after you restarted your phone, and in case if the notification is still showing on the top, then what you can do, just go back to the settings again and open up the apps. Then click on manage apps. And in the search bar, type speech services. At the bottom of the page, select force stop. Then after that, click on uninstall updates. This should resolve the issue. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.